For more than 100 years, Alpha Wire has engineered cables and wires for the toughest applications. From wind turbines exposed to the elements 24/7, to high-tech scientific research facilities, to the demanding conditions of an offshore oil rig, to mission-critical military-grade robotics applications, Alpha Wire delivers the superior performance and reliability harsh environments demand. How can you put Alpha Wire to work? We exclusively focus on hazard-matched, purpose-built products. That means we don't provide one-size-fits-all solutions. We'll work with you to define your precise requirements and provide the exact right mix of cable, wire, tubing, and accessories from our portfolio of more than 30,000 products. We use premium materials, advanced manufacturing, and world-class quality control, so you can trust Alpha Wire products will go the distance. With a century of innovation behind us, we have our eyes on what's next. We're building digital ecosystems that help our world stay connected, and we'll partner with you every step of the way. Let's talk.